Hello student, today we will do question number 4 and 5 from exercise test yourself of chapter 3 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question is question number 4. A man invests a certain sum in buying 15% rupees 100 share at a 20% premium. Means nominal value of one share rupees 100. Market value of one share is equal to rupees 115. Dividend on one share is equal to rupees 15. Question number 1 is this. So this will be the answer of question number 1. Dividend on one share is rupees 15. So this is one. Number 2. The number of shares bought to have an income from the dividend is this. Number to have an income means number of shares is equal to 6840 divided by 15. This is total dividend and this is dividend on one share. So if we will calculate this, we will get this 432. Number C, question number 3. Sum invested. So investment is equal to then number of share is 432. Market value of one share is 115. So if you multiply this, so we will get rupees 65472. This is. Now see question number 5. Aswarya bought rupees 496 rupees 100 share at 132. Nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 100. Market value of one share is equal to rupees 132. Number of shares is equal to 496. Now question number 1. investment made by her. The investment is equal to number of shares 496. The market value of one share is 132. So if you multiply this, so we will get 65. Third, this multiplication is wrong. If here we will multiply, then we will get 5 1 5 1 8 4 0 5 1 8 4 0. Here we will get 6 5 4 7 2. The same number. This number 2, income of Aishwarya from these shares if the rate of dividend is 7.5%. Income is equal to number of share is 496 into dividend on one share is 7.5. So if you multiply this, you will get 3720. Now see third. How much extra must Aishwarya invest in order to increase her income by 7200? So number of shares required, then number of shares required to get this dividend is equal to this divided by 7.5 is equal to, if we divide this, this is 960. So 960 shares are required to get this dividend. So investment cost of this 960, market value of 960 shares is equal to 960 multiply 132. So we'll get rupees 126,720. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care.